Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method isupper. In Python, the isupper method returns true if all alphabetical characters in the specified string are uppercase and there is at least one alphabetical character in the specified string. Otherwise, it will return false. The syntax here is string underscore object followed by the method name dot isupper with opening and closing parentheses. And for the string method isupper, there are no parameters. Now the string that we'll work with here are strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks for the variable Python underscore str underscore syntax. So we'll print this just to see the output for the string that we're working with here. So we'll start up with a upper check to check if all characters in this string are uppercase. So we'll create a variable upper underscore check equals to Python underscore str underscore syntax dot isupper, and we'll print all alphabetical characters in the string uppercase, true or false. And then we'll return the result here, so upper underscore check. And we can see here, based on output, this is false. So not all alphabetical characters in the string are uppercase. Return false as not all alphabetical characters are uppercase. And we can then also check after converting all characters to uppercase. So we'll create a variable upper underscore str equals to Python underscore str syntax dot upper. So we'll convert and capitalize all alphabetical characters. And we'll print the string. So we can see here, this string is now all uppercase for all the alphabetical letters. And we can now print all alphabetical characters in the string uppercase, true or false. And then we'll return the result. So upper underscore string dot isupper. And we can see here that this is true. So now after converting all the alphabetical letters to uppercase, it is now confirmed using the isupper method that this is true. All right, so return true. All alphabetical characters are uppercase. And we can also extend this check to check for strings with white space. So single W space string equals to a string with just a single white space, and we can print single W space string dot isupper, and this here returns false, right? So return false as there needs to be a minimum of one uppercase alphabetical character. And we can also check this for alphanumeric string. So we'll create a variable alphan underscore string equals to the word elite, but the letter E is replaced with the number 3. So letter E are replaced with number 3, and we can print alphan underscore string dot isupper, and we can see here that this is true. All right, so return true as long as all alphabetical characters are uppercase. And we can also check for strings with special characters. So we'll create a new line string here with the same alphanumeric word for elite and the addition of a new line character at the very end. We'll now print new line string dot isupper, and we can see here that this is also true, right? So it will always return true as long as the alphabetical characters in the specified string are uppercase. So this is how to use the isupper method in Python to check if all alphabetical characters for a specified string are in uppercase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.